It's me, Gareth, and we're on the Sapphire Princess today, and we are all the way up on deck 14 forward. And we're going to take a look in here on my watch, and so the door unlocked for me. And I'm going to walk in. And I like to not let the door slam, so I've turned on all the lights. We're going to start in the bathroom. Even the light on my camera. Let's start with the shower. So it's got one of these shower heads. I don't really like them. I like the ones that come off. The top is water. The bottom is temperature. And there's actually numbers on there, if you can see them. Sometimes if that water doesn't go hot enough and you've got it turned all the way to the hot, pop this off, unscrew that screw, and turn the handle and put it back on, and it'll go further. Don't tell them I told you. Shampoo and conditioner and shower gel. I don't like shower gel. That's a clothesline. All cruise ship showers have them, or most of them anyway. It's got this flimsy little shower curtain, which doesn't work very well, but I don't have to clean the floor. Towels, toilet brush. Don't be afraid to use the toilet brush. It's too bright. Little shelf. Our shelf seems to be coming off. Right? Of course, faucet. Hand soap and lotion. So this is different than in the shower. 3 shelves. An outlet here for my razor. It says for razors only, for shavers only. It's got a speaker here, just in case you get a message. Pretty standard bathroom for a cruise ship. Yeah, I know some cruise ships have bigger ones. Got a shelf, got a closet, lots of coat hangers. I actually asked my room steward for more coat hangers with the clips on them, but I don't see them here, so, and I don't really need them now. Lots of shelves in here, got a safe. Of course, we've been in here for a day now. Just got back from a tour in Buenos Aires, Argentina. We're doing a South America cruise on the Sapphire. The television is here. Now I'm going to stop right here and let you see something. The thermostat is there. You see that? That's the thermostat. And of course it doesn't have numbers, but if you reach in there, you can activate it. Right? Now I'm going to turn the TV on while we're talking. So, 2 nightstands. Both with USB ports, both with light switches. This swings out like so, but this part doesn't swing. These lights control the room lights here and there. So you can come in the light, go to bed, and shut off the lights. Got drawers, a little cubby. The TV's not cooperating with me. I've dropped something on the floor. Same on this side. And in this cabin, both the USB ports work. Drawers. There is plenty of room under the bed to store your luggage. She's got 2 suitcases on her side. I have 2 on my side. Several more drawers. Well, 3. No drawer here at the vanity. No drawer here. Nice desk, phone, a light switch. Notice. Blow dryer, hair dryer, whatever you want to call it. Okay? But no drawer here. Remember that. Over here, the TV used to be here. Now, we were on the Diamond Princess a couple weeks ago for 2 weeks, and at the end of the first week, we had to switch to a different cabin. The first cabin, the TV was here still. The second cabin, the TV was here, but it was covering this and not covering the thermostat. So they're not touch screens. So anyway, you should know that. I don't know that the TV is going to be there. If it is, you have 2 extra USA outlets, 110 volt. 2 extra. By the way, there was 2 over here. I forgot to mention. There are 0 European outlets. None that I saw. Wow. I want to show you real quick movies and TV. So it's got movies like those, and there's a lot of them. I'm not going to deny it. And it goes across. We're not going to look at them all. Sorry. Live TV, that's it. TV series, there's a bunch of them. But live TV, that's all you have. Those are your choices. Well, there are 10 channels. Sometimes I see 12 or 15. This has 10. Refrigerator. Now this refrigerator is not very cold. Somewhere there's an adjustment for it. I haven't found it yet. I'll probably ask, but it's cool. But it's like I put cold drinks in an ice chest without ice. You know what I mean? Anyway, trash can, a little table. Pretty standard for a princess balcony cabin. Some people comment when I do these princess balcony cabins, hey, there's no couch, there's no sofa. Carnival ships have sofas in their balconies. That's correct, they do. Princess doesn't. You have to get a deluxe balcony or a premium balcony, whatever. But no sofa in here. A single chair and a bed. Let's go outside. So it's got one of these sliding doors. This one slides pretty well. Sometimes you've got to fight with it. This cabin came with Janet.
Hi. I can't guarantee your cruise bill.
No, hopefully it doesn't. 2 reclining chairs and enough room to recline and still have my legs there, although I put them up there. This has been freshly varnished, you can tell. When we were on the Diamond Princess, one day they came through and varnished it, but they didn't do a good job. But, you know, these ships are almost 20 years old, the Sapphire Princess and the Diamond Princess. This is Buenos Aires, and like I said, it's a container port. It looks very modern from here, all those tall buildings. When you get into town, it's not very modern. It's, you know, old. A lot of it was built in the 1800s and early 1900s. So, I think that's about it. Oh, you should know that there's a big mirror right there. So, from the Sapphire Princess, this is Gareth saying, port monkeys out. We'll see you in the next port. Bye.